So any other person would like to clarify any point? Yes, please.
How we come to know that Musa didn't sacrifice a cattle?
Because he was faqir. And Allah appointed, asked Allah, Allah said, we want 30 plus 10. You say, he said, 30, Allah took a promise from Musa, peace be upon him, 30 nice and 10. So definitely these 10 I calculate by 3, 7, then it comes 40. Otherwise you can't bring 30, you can't bring 40 nights. For what? So they said that the scholars, people in the world say that before the fasting was 40 nights. Fasting was for 40 nights. The Quran is saying it's 30, definitely 29, 30. Ramadan is clear. It's not saying 40, it's saying 30. Allah is also saying 30 and adding 10. So Allah took a promise from him is 30 and 10. And I calculate from the Hajj timings, 10, it comes 3 months and 10 days, 2 months and 10 days. From Ramadan it comes 3 months, 10 days, 10 nights. So the promise, he made a promise with the gentleman, he said you do 8 or 10. I believe he did 10 because it exactly fits with 3 months and 10 days. And the calculation was done by 3 fasting and 7 fasting. So Allah took a promise, that means he was fasting every year, 40. That is how we come to know that Allah said, I took a promise from Moses for 30 and completed with 10. So Musa Salam, we come to know 3, if you multiply 3 and 10, that means every year Hajj, he fasted. He may have got a goat, maybe, I don't know, but he said, I am faqir. You give me betterment. So Allah, especially for Musa Salam, he said this, and that is a practice today also. If you are not able to get that hadiyah there, you have to fast. And I know some people who fasted 3 there and 7 here. Okay?
Okay, thank you.